Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have got iPhone 13 with a broken back glass. So today we will replace the back glass of iPhone 13. So we are diving into how to replace the back glass of your iPhone 13. If you have cracked, shattered or damaged the back glass of your iPhone 13, don't panic, it's totally fixable and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First of all, what you have to do, if you see any like open spaces, just put a heat resistant tape on it to avoid any excessive heat to the flexes on the bottom of the iPhone. So before you're gonna start, so first you have to set your temperatures. Normally the temperature on this heat gun is around 450, something like that, and the airflow is around 50. So please don't put excessive heat on one point. Just keep moving your heat gun and never put heat on a one point, because it may give a damage to the phone. So that's how you can see here. I'm just using a prying tool. I'm just step by step, slowly I'm removing the back glass. So let's see how it goes. Please make sure just put heat resistive tape around the wireless charging area. Like here you can see there is a magnets where I'm using heat resistive tape, because sometimes when you use heat guns with the heat, sometimes they just flew away. So best to keep using heat resistive tape, and also it's gonna give the protection to your phone as well. So when you reach to this area near to the cameras, so you have to use glass breaking tool. So please make sure never break the actual camera lens. Just use this glass breaking tool just around the cameras. So you just need to give a little bit crack so you can easily remove the back glass. So once your glass is broken from this area, using the prying tool, like here I'm using the wider one, but when you reach to the cameras areas, please always use any longer screwdriver or any thin prying tool, right? So then you can easily remove the back glass from the very precise areas. Some there are very areas very concise here, so best to use any thin one. But first, best, what I'm going to give a recommendation, just first of all remove the back glass from the middle around your charging wireless area, right? And also when you're going to remove all the glass from here, then you have the next step, go towards the camera lens, and now remove the the glass from the right top corner area, because there is a empty space. If you remove from here first and then you go towards the camera areas, then the glass can go inside, and when glass go inside, it's not good. It can give any kind of damage, but normally don't give any damage. But if you ever open the front screen as well, you check, you're gonna see loads of like shattered glass inside. The best, remove all the glass from the middle and all these areas, and keep using the heat resistive tape onto the wireless charging areas, onto the soldering areas as well. It's gonna give you a best repair as well. So once you reach to this area, please use all these tapes, and when you are going to remove the glass from the the camera areas, please give a proper cleaning, and then just start removing the glass near to the camera lens. So please make sure when you are going to remove glass from the area lens, be careful, don't give excessive force here, because here you have your microphone, you have your cameras here, you have your flashlight here as well. If you give excessive force, maybe you're gonna give a damage to any one of them, right? So be gently, give a more time here, and then just remove the glass. So let's see how I'm going to remove it. When you reach near to the flashlight area, please always use a heat resistive tape onto the flashlight, because if you give any like little bit excessive force onto the flashlight, and it will like kind of like you're gonna blow this like flashlight, it will like flew away. So best to use heat resistive tape. And when you reach to this area, please reduce the temperatures, and also don't give like excessive force onto the one point, otherwise you're gonna lose your flashlight. So once you reach to this area, please give more time, never rush when you reach this area. So once your flashlight is covered, then you have to remove the the glass which is left. So like here, you can, like I mentioned before, just use any thin prying tool, or any screwdriver. Like I have a like screwdriver which I use on this thin the very like concise areas, which gives a like better removal of glass. So once I've just cleared all this area, now I just move to this area, because here there's empty space underneath there. Here you can see the black area. So if I'm gonna remove glass from here before and then I go towards the camera lens, then the glass can go inside from these areas. So you here, when you remove this the back glass from here, please, when you see empty space, please all keep using the heat resistive tape to close these areas. And also there's a very sensitive parts underneath, so heat resistive tape is gonna save all these parts. So here you can see how it's just the working very easily. So please give a more time onto this area, never rush onto this area, because they're all the sensitive part of the main phones are here. Here you can see the all the glass from the phone is removed. So before I'm gonna stick it on the back glass, I'm gonna check if there's anything from any side, if the glass is like not fitted properly. So that's how I checked. So once I feel like the back glass is properly placed, so then I will go towards the putting the glue in and everything. So here you can see, so I just checked the glass looks all right. Here you can see when I'm ready to put glue, so I'm gonna put glue smoothly on all the back of the phone. So now we'll just put loads of glue, just put like the glue which is really needed. If you're gonna put excessive glue, so it's gonna come out from the side. And also, for example, next time when somebody gonna repair the back glass again, and they're gonna struggle to remove this all the glue as well. So basically put glue which is really needed, and then just stick on your back glass. That's it. So job done.